In the world of real commerce, blockchain is now rewriting how businesses and consumers connect. And now, it's live, audited, tested, launched. With 2-second latency and 100,000 transactions per second, a unified ecosystem powered by 12 interconnected revenue streams fueling unstoppable growth. E-commerce trading portal powering direct business to consumer transactions. Luxury lifestyle booking portal opening up premium experiences in travel. Universal payment gateway, instant crypto payments and settlement. CRAT swap v3 DEX, gas efficient, instant token swaps and liquidity. Smart swap, seamless conversion of tokens and assets. Mainnet Explorer, full transparency and real-time analytics. Sieve Protocol, DeFi Vault for passive royalty-based returns. Multi-chain bridge, unrestricted cross-chain opportunities. Staking protocol, rewarding participation, securing the network. Tap2Mine, mass market mobile mining, fueling daily engagement. Intellectual property blockchain co-ownership. Fractionalized, blockchain-secured IP assets. Real estate trading portal, enabling secure, transparent property deals, all driven by expertise. Allied with security titans and global exchange leaders, we're not just building the future, we're defining it. Now that the next era has begun, this is your moment to be part of it.